In today's digital age, going viral has become the holy grail of content creation. Everyone wants their content to be shared and spread like wildfire across social media platforms. But how exactly can you create content that is not only engaging but also shareable? In this ultimate guide, we will explore 5 foolproof strategies that will help you create shareable content and increase your chances of going viral. Tap into emotions. The power of emotional objectives. One of the key factors behind shareable content is its ability to evoke emotions in the audience. People are more likely to share something that resonates with them emotionally, whether it's laughter, awe, anger, or inspiration. To tap into these emotions effectively, you need to understand your target audience and identify their pain points or desires. For example, if you're targeting pet owners who struggle with separation anxiety when leaving their pets at home, creating a heartwarming video showcasing pets reuniting with their owners after a long day can strike an emotional chord. By addressing a common problem and offering a heartwarming solution, your content becomes relatable and highly shareable. Unique rationale. What's in it for your readers? To make your content truly stand out from the crowd and encourage sharing among readers, provide them with unique rationale. Reasons why they should care about what you have to say or offer. This could be in the form of exclusive insights or valuable information they won't find elsewhere. For instance, if you're writing an article about healthy eating habits during pregnancy, a topic that has been covered extensively, offer new research findings on how certain foods positively impact fetal development that aren't widely known yet. By providing fresh perspectives and useful information that readers can benefit from themselves or pass on to others who may need it, they'll be more likely to share your content. The power of numbers. Concrete takeaways. People love numbers, statistics, and concrete takeaways. Incorporating data-driven insights into your content can make it more credible and shareable. Use relevant statistics or research findings to support your points and provide readers with tangible information they can remember and share with others. For example, if you're writing an article about the benefits of exercise on mental health, include specific numbers such as, studies have shown that regular exercise can reduce symptoms of depression by up to 50%. By using concrete numbers, you not only make your content more persuasive but also give readers something memorable they can easily recall and discuss with others. Expand on points. In-depth analysis. While brevity is often valued in today's fast-paced digital world, providing in-depth analysis on a particular topic can set your content apart from the rest. Instead of just scratching the surface, take the time to dive deeper into a subject matter that interests your audience. For instance, if you're creating a video tutorial on how to create stunning floral arrangements at home, don't just show them the basics. Go beyond that by explaining various floral design techniques or sharing insider tips from professional florists. By going above and beyond what is expected or readily available elsewhere online, you'll establish yourself as an authority in your niche while giving readers valuable information worth sharing. How-to guides. Practical advice for actionable results. People are always looking for practical advice they can apply in their own lives immediately. Creating how-to guides that offer step-by-step instructions or actionable tips will not only capture attention but also encourage sharing among those who find value in what you have shared. For example, if you're writing an article about DIY home organization hacks, include detailed instructions along with accompanying visuals so readers can easily follow along and implement these hacks themselves. By providing practical advice that yields tangible results, you increase the likelihood of your content being shared as readers see its potential to improve their lives. Conclusion. Creating shareable content is not an exact science, but by incorporating these 5 foolproof strategies into your content creation process, you can significantly increase your chances of going viral. Remember to tap into emotions, provide unique rationale, use numbers for concrete takeaways, expand on points with in-depth analysis, and offer practical advice through how-to guides. By doing so, you'll create content that resonates with your audience and compels them to hit that share button. So go ahead and start implementing these strategies today. Who knows? Your next piece of content could be the one that takes the internet by storm.